What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you all a way how you can make your bathroom or pretty much any room you wanted to in your house smell really good, especially when your AC or your heat comes on. You know, the same way that in your vehicle a lot of times you can buy like little air fresheners that you can put on your vent in your vehicle, that when you turn your AC or your heat, it makes the smell come throughout your vehicle. But what I learned is that you could take the same little things and actually use them inside of your vents inside of your house, which I'm going to show you right here in this vent. If you look at this vent right here, if you see this right here, what I did was just take one of the same things that you can use inside of your car. And so things that you can buy from, you know, AutoZone, Wal-Mart, Dollar General, multiple different places that normally you would use it to stick inside of your vehicle vent, to where when you turn your AC and heat on, it would make the smell come out into your vehicle, make it smell really good. But what I thought was, maybe I could use this also inside the vent inside of a house. So what I did was I just took one of these, I put a rubber band around the base of it to make it a little bit tighter. And then what I did was just opened up my vent thing and just stuck it around just like that onto the vent. Same way you would do on your vehicle, except for I just put it on your little opening part. Now, whenever the heat or AC comes on, it blows that scent out with the air or the heat. And like I said, this actually works really good. So now whenever the heat or AC on, like I said, the scent comes into the house. So what I did also was, instead of opening up fully, I kind of opened up halfway. That way I wouldn't get too much of it out when it's blowing. But I wanted to show you this. I think this was a neat idea that I came up with. If you wanted to, like, especially in your bathroom or something like that, trying to kind of keep it smelling good for a long time. Because these things right here a lot of times can last for a minute. So once you put one down there, it should last you for maybe a few months. It just depends on how much you use your heat or your AC. But also I would say is you want to look into your vent first. Like, say for example, if you look down into your ductwork and you notice that it's really deep down inside of her, then what you want to do is be sure that you put something on this to make it nice and tight. That way it won't fall down inside of the hole for your ductwork. But like on this one, I can actually reach my hand down in and touch the bottom of it. So if it did fall off, I could easily reach down there and just grab it and take it back out. Like I said, but what I did do is just put a rubber band around the base of it just to make it be a little bit tighter to hold it onto there. And also, like I said, because on this vent right here, as you can see, it's kind of old looking. So if you want to change out your vent itself, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do normally just pull them out like that, and then you can go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or Menards, or wherever pretty much, and find you a vent to replace it with. A lot of times they just come in different sizes. So what you might want to do is just take you like a measuring tape. You want to measure the top, and like this one right here looks like about 11.5 from the top, and then from the sides look like it's about close to a 6, either 5.5 or a 6. But you just want to measure your vent itself, your cover itself, and then go ahead and get you another one. A lot of times you can just drop it back down into the hole where it belongs at. Or also what you can do if you want to is just go ahead and take your actual cover off of your vent cover off of your opening and take it with you to the store. That way you can definitely match it up. Because if you can see in the back side of it, the part that goes down inside of your hole is smaller than what the top of it is, what you're going to see from the floor. So this is the main part you want to make sure that's going to fit. So what you might want to do also is just measure your opening just like that. See, that's like 10.5 down there for my length. So therefore, when I measure this, see, it's about the same, right around that length right there. But alright folks, I just wanted to make this video to show you something you can do with your car air fresheners to also make your bathroom or any room in your house smell good. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.